Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can combine first name and last name on Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document on my Microsoft Excel and I'm going to show you how we can create full name from this data. First thing first, we need to type in the full name like this. Okay, and we're going to select the clue. Okay, and we just need to click on Control E. Press Control and E at the same time, and it will be autofilled, just like this. Okay, don't forget to press your your control button with the E button on your computer or laptop. Okay guys, and that's all the way to combine first name and last name on Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.